Hi everyone, Caroline here from Machine Control Australia. Welcome to another MCA tutorial on Makin'3D. Today I will give you a quick rundown on different features and configurations of the operator view, lock steering, changing your attachment and its reference location. A big shout out to Tom Miller from SmartX who provided the surface, line work and localization for this project straight from Trimble Business Centre. We are looking at a Starbuck project located just 15 kilometres to the north of Melbourne CBD. Well done to Jimmy's team. They have sourced, hauled, compacted and trimmed more than 50,000 cubic metres of material for this job. That's no easy feat considering it's been constructed adjacent to this drainage basin. Let's start with different view options. If you want to toggle between 2D and 3D, press the cube icon up top right of the plan view. If you want to change the order of your profile, section and plan view, press the Pages icon just above the cube icon and choose your desired configuration. At the machine attachment, can you see the blue and red lines? They're very handy for the operator. They help in squaring up the machine to what is being worked on. They indicate which reference location is active. This can also be seen from the green cross in the section and profile view on the attachment. The system automatically steers horizontally towards the active line. This is the nearest line, which is highlighted in aqua. On the screen you can see the name of the line next to side. And next to height you can see where the system is sourcing its cuts and fills. If you want to lock steering to the active line, press the padlock next to side, or if you plan to work outside the surface and wish to extend the grade, press the padlock icon next to height. This can easily be reversed by unlocking the padlocks. If you want to lock to a non-active line or want to receive cut and fill information from this line, for example digging stormwater trenches, touch the desired line on your plan view screen. Its details will pop up down the bottom right, then press the padlock. You'll have three options: lock for horizontal steering only, lock to receive cuts and fills only, or activate both locking functions. If you want to change your reference tip, double tap the bucket located in the cross-section view, then select which tip you will be working from. You can also change attachments in this screen by selecting the attachment and closing the window. Thank you for watching. We hope this video gives you a better understanding of Makin'3D's intuitive user interface. Please like and subscribe to see future MCA tutorials.